Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As promised, that I will be teaching you how to make words not only with prefixes but also with something called suffixes. So the topic of today's video is to learn to make new words with the help of suffixes. It's a vocabulary building up exercise and it's extremely useful not only for grade 6, 7 and 8 students but even in O levels. The students can see lots of new words. They can find out the meanings of those words. They can find out the root word and then they can find out the prefix and the suffix, which will help them improve their vocabulary. So let's start with the suffixes of today's video, and we will first see that what are suffixes. Suffixes are basically, my dear students, letters. Letters means A is a letter, B is a letter, or C is a letter. So suffixes are letters or groups of letters which are added to the end of a word in order to change its meaning or its form or its function. So three tasks can be done by the addition of a suffix in a word. The important thing that you have to remember is that prefixes are added at the start of the word, whereas suffixes are added at the end of a word, and they change the meaning of the word, they change the form of the word, and they even change the function of that word. So, first of all, we will be looking at the suffixes. What do suffixes do to a word? Number one, they change the form of the word. If the word is a noun, they will change it into adjective. For example, if the word is happiness, and if I want to make it suffix, so I can change the form of the word, I can make it happy. If the word is happy, I can change it into happiness. So we can make these changes with the help of suffixes. The second important function that the suffixes perform is changing the tense or the form of the word. If, for example, the word is singular in the present form, the word is labor as a verb, we can add the suffix ed and this word will become past participle verb. In the same way, if the word is calorie, which is in the singular form, we can make it its plural by adding the suffix ies. So the word became calories. The third function that the suffix can perform is they indicate possession or relationship or belonging of something to someone. For example, children's books. So I added apostrophe s in order to show the belonging of the books with children. So the thing has not come to an end over here. We will be looking at several building blocks in the form of suffixes and we will be learning to make new words with them. For example, the first building block in today's video is ed. For example, I have made several words with the word ed. You can take its a screenshot. You should be making words of your own also after taking its idea. It's just like a game. Even the teachers in their class practice can follow this tip that they can divide the students into different groups. For example, if there are 4 columns in the class, so the student can be divided into 4 groups and each group will be given one suffix and there will be a competition amongst the group members to make new words with that suffix. And at the end, you will see that lots of new words the student would have invented. This would be a fruitful and healthy learning exercise. It will help them improve their verbs, their spellings, and they will be engaged in it so energetically and enthusiastically that the teachers will be amazed when they will apply this exercise in their class. So the word ed, I have made several words. I am going to read them: walked, learned, delayed, surprised, amused, misbehaved, bewildered, earned, narrated, described, mentioned, laughed, cried, and the list goes on and on. The second building block of suffix is ing, and several words can be made with this. For example, running, dancing, playing, sleeping, smiling, flying, typing, smirking, astonishing, arranging, any words. Ing is an interesting and easy suffix, and the students will be making innumerable words with it, I'm sure. The third building block of suffix is ly, which is again a very interesting suffix because it helps change the form of the verbs into adverbs. The words become adverbs when we add the suffix of ly. For example, quickly, happily, suddenly, softly, delightfully, convincingly, lovingly, sadly, awkwardly, swiftly. Several words you can make with the suffix ly. Only the directions should be clear by the teachers, and then the students will start enjoying this activity. The fourth building block of suffix is ful, single L, not double L. For example, you can make the words like careful, helpful, hopeful, thoughtful, powerful, harmful, joyful, meaningful, skillful, useful, innumerable words. You can take the screenshot or you can just take the idea and make new words. Even during summer break, the students should be adding these words in their dictionaries of their own, which I am constantly giving the idea of making during my videos. The next building block of suffix is less. Now you see the word less, the suffix lex changes the meaning of the word into opposite. If the word is care, when we say careful, then it is positive word. And if I say careless, it means that the meaning of the word has changed into opposite. Endless, careless, sleepless, boundless, merciless, jobless, endless. It has been repeated, thoughtless and lifeless. And the next step that you can take is that you should be making sentences of these suffixes. That will be an extra advantageous activity. The next building block is ness. You can make several words with this suffix, like you can say happiness, gentleness, kindness, sadness, goodness, blindness, tenderness, fondness, freshness, any words. Go on, the list goes on and on. And the next suffix is ship. For example, friendship, partnership, membership, sponsorship, fellowship, scholarship, authorship, or apprenticeship. Apprenticeship is when you are attached with a big firm in order to gain experience without getting salary. That will be apprenticeship, learning as a part of becoming an important company and getting the experience. The next suffix is shun, tion. For example, introduction, education, creation, citation. Citation means copying something, reciting something. Action, even recitation, promotion, salvation, reaction, action, vacation. The list goes on and on. My dear student, this was the activity of improvement of vocabulary with the help of suffixes. My sincere advice to all my learners is to make new words with the above building blocks yourself. This will enhance your vocabulary. These will improve your spellings. This will engage the students in an interesting way in the classroom. Stay blessed. Remember in me in prayers. Allah Hafiz.